This video is sponsored by JLC PCB. Get your PCBs for only $2 today with fast and cheap worldwide shipping from the link below.
Welcome everyone. Today I will teach you 5 ways to make an infinite loop in Java. First, we will make our file. Then public. Of course, we will create our class. Then public static void and the main method, then string, then args, then we will begin with the first method, which is using for, and just type in 2 semicolons. We will output some text to simulate it. And when we hit run, you see that it is outputting spam without ending, just spamming it again and again. We're gonna end the task or kill the terminal. Then the second method, which is using while 1 is greater than 0. You see, we get the same result. The third method is using while and true. The same outputs. The fourth method is using for. We will make a variable called int. We'll try to reach 2, but it will never reach it because we will set it to 0 every time it runs. Oops. And the fifth method is using do while, which is similar to while true. Do, it will print spam while true. And just like that, you learned to make an infinite loop in 5 ways in Java. Hope you learned something new, and see you in the next video.